Today, let's solve problems about multiplying whole numbers by unit fractions. Let's look at number 1 here. What number goes in the box? Is the number that goes in the box more or less than half of 5? Well, less, since it's less than half the way to the 5. Okay, so here would be about halfway to the 5. So the box is less than half the way to the 5. So let's estimate a 2 low, about right, and a 2 high for our box. So a 2 low, like we said, it's less than half of 5. So a 2 low might be a 1. And about right would be about a 2. And a 2 high would be about a 3. So I know that half of my 5 is going to be about 2.5. So that makes our estimates correct because we know that the 2 low for our box, the 1, that's going to be 2 low. About right for the box would be about 2 because the 2.5 would be here and the 2 high would be 3. Okay, so let's solve each of these problems. If we need to draw a diagram, we will. Let's look at number 1. May ran 1/4 the length of her road, which is 9 miles long. How far did May run? So if she ran 1/4 of her road, we can multiply 9 times 1/4. So we're going to take our whole times our numerator. 9 times the 1 would be 9. And so 9 times 1/4 is the 9/4. Let's look at number 2. Han ran 1/4 the length of his road, which is 7 miles long. How far did he run? Okay, he ran 7 times 1/4 because it was 1/4 of his road. So we have 7 wholes times your 1 numerator is 7. So 7 times the 1/4 would be 7/4. So today we learned how to find fractions of a whole number. So what does it mean to run 1/4 of a mile? If you break up the 10 miles into 4 equal pieces, you ran one of those pieces. So let's look here at the equation. 1/4 of a 10-mile road. What expression can you write to represent 1/4 of 10? 10 times 1/4 whole times your numerator is 10 times 1 is 10. So 10 times 1/4 is 10/4.